Starting out my live stream, and we are a go. Gonna bring up the terminal. Excellent. Gonna go into our Docker image, but we're gonna have to do our sudo. Let's do a tmux here. Control B, Z. Let's go C. Bring up another. Oh, I'm sorry. Control B, C, C. Control B, C. Oh, I made a new window. I didn't realize it. Look at this. All right. Let's exit out of this one. Let's not be crazy. I did the comma, Control B, then comma to rename the window. I like to rename my windows. Sometimes helps me keep me on track. Hopefully it will help you. All right. Under here, we want to fire up our Docker container. So let's go Docker. You know what? This is going to be, yeah, our Docker. Let's go sudo Docker let's ps so you can see the containers. The Rasta container, obviously the only one there, and that is the one that we're going to use. Sudo, and I'll get you another video explaining what I put in that container, how I constructed the Docker file, whatnot. Let's go. Docker exe-it. We want to go to Rasta. We want to open up a bash terminal. All right, we're good inside of here. In OPT, I think I put it in code. So these are the dirs that I created from my Docker file. I think I went to code. And here's where I want to set up my multi-days of coding. I'm gonna try to do 100, but that just means 100 times of doing different code, and we will analyze that code using GDB or Dare, objdumb. I like the command line tools and any other ones that we can conjure up and look at. All right, here in the code, what I want to do is I want to do one code for like every day. For instance, I actually want to make dir for C and Python. In each one of them, I'm gonna do like 100-day, not really challenge, 100-day practice, because I need to really do it every day. So, but the 100 days is gonna give me that, that first small milestones to actually turn into an everyday habit. So here we go. We're gonna write just a quick one-liner. Let's do sequence. We just need 100 dirs. SCQ 1 to 100. I think the off by 1 is not an issue here, and we want to do make mkdir day. We'll do whatever the day is, and then put the number. So put $I, and that should be good for us. All right, let's see. All right, excellent. We have all of our directories. Oh, I didn't get caught by the off by 1. Thought I did, because I saw 99 here being the last one, and I thought it got me. It didn't, though. So now we want to the Python, and then we can up arrow twice or 3 times. Back to the 4, same thing. In the Python directory, that's ls here. Excellent. All right, so let's go back to the C. I'm sorry, capital C, and day 1. Excellent. So everybody does the traditional hello world. You don't have time for that. I want to just do something different, very simple also. And we're just going to call it like swap.c. So we're going to input 2 numbers. And those 2 numbers, we're going to swap them. All right, let's see how we would code that up. this ends the setup portion of days 1. All right, excellent. That ends days. Oh, I'm sorry. That ends the setup of